How to make unique beats.
Top out of bread, I've been pushing the coupe through the slime. What you been doing? Smacking this bitch off a perk, I done heard her, she speaking in tongues. I'm covered in fucking the check up and get it right back, cause I'm one.
Start with the D sharp pad melody. Then look for another one-shot pad and layer it with similar notes. Then add synth. Use the slide notes for more unique sound. That's how it's done. Add key and again use slide notes and add reverb. Add another key. And for the last part, use another synth with slide notes. All the sounds in this video come from my own kits, hyper and dark art, packed with hard-hitting drums and unique one-shots. Grab them now and level up your sound. Patreon Ice Gear, link in the description. Hi-hat number 1. Hi-hat number 2. Hi-hat number 3. Claps. Open hats. .808 bass from my drum kit. And for the last part, of drums add kicks, and you're done. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice gear, ice gear, ice gear, ice gear.
Dropping the top out of bread, I've been pushing the coupe through the slime. What you been doing? Smacking this bitch off a perk, I done heard her, she speaking in tongues. I'm covered in fucking the check up and get it right back, cause I'm one of the